Motherfuckers could never. I ain't envious, I could never hate. Always stay on 10 toes, never underestimate.
You could never.
Never will I fold, never fuck your man's bitch if that's your bro. If that's your bro. Never could you trap like me, lose it all and get it back like me. Motherfucker, you could never. Man, y'all motherfuckers couldn't walk a mile in my shoes, man. Motherfucker, you could never. Couldn't open the door if I even gave you the keys. Motherfucker, you could never. It's all facts when a motherfucker talk to you, man. Y'all be in the same clubs, high off the same drugs, kept it real with a fake one. Turn your back on your day one, was raised right. But these cold streets where I get the pain from, when it's love, embrace it the same way when the hate comes. Renting 2 Rolls Royces just to race them. Heard my options all in one club, I showed up just to face them. Yeah, and I trap like it's the first. If I said it, then I meant it. Never go back on my word. My team eats, we obese, my foes deep. Gotta keep my ears close to the streets, no peace. Can't run the streets with no heat. The police grabbing intel, can't have cold feet. Stop front you a P, give you a whole week. You think I'm sweet? That's the last nigga that owed me. I'm focused though, rap game overdose. With this rap shit, you ain't fucking with the boys like a rodeo. Keep your eyes open, try and hit you for that okie doke. Chase the 42 with the spades, a little toasty toast. 20 after 20 through the counter. Been up 24 hours, weighing powder. Asian put me on, and that's the last thing I'ma speak on about this little thing of ours.
You could never.
I ain't envious, I could never hate. Always stay on 10 toes, never underestimate.
You could never.
Never will I fold, never fuck your man's bitch if that's your bro. If that's your bro. Never could you trap like me, lose it all and get it back like me. Motherfucker, you could never. Motherfucker, you could never. Motherfucker, you could never. Motherfucker, you could never.